In this video, we'll show you exactly how to clean your laptop safely and effectively. Laptops are essential devices in our daily lives, but they easily collect dust, fingerprints, grime, and germs. Regular cleaning not only maintains your laptop's appearance but also improves performance and longevity. Let's get started. Before cleaning, safely shut down your laptop and unplug all cords and external devices. Removing the battery is recommended if your laptop allows it. Always prioritize safety to prevent damage and electrical hazards. Begin by wiping your laptop gently with a dry microfiber cloth to remove loose dust and dirt from its surfaces, including the lid, base, keyboard area, and screen. Hold your laptop upside down gently and shake it lightly to loosen crumbs or dirt trapped between the keys. Next, use compressed air to blow away remaining debris. Hold the can upright and spray in short bursts to avoid damaging the keyboard. Slightly dampen a microfiber cloth or cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol, 70% or higher. Gently wipe the keyboard surfaces and keys to disinfect and remove grime. Never pour alcohol directly onto the keyboard. Use a specialized screen cleaner or a gentle mixture of distilled water and white vinegar, 50-50 ratio. Spray the solution lightly onto a microfiber cloth. Never directly onto the screen. Gently wipe the screen in small circular motions to remove fingerprints, dirt, and smudges without scratching. Use compressed air again to carefully clear out dust from ports, vents, and other openings. Short bursts help avoid moisture buildup and ensure dust is effectively removed without damaging sensitive internal components. Moisten another microfiber cloth lightly with isopropyl alcohol or mild cleaner. Gently wipe your laptop's exterior surfaces, lid, base, touchpad, and palm rest, to disinfect and remove oily fingerprints or residue. Ensure your cloth is only slightly damp to prevent moisture damage. Use a dry microfiber cloth to gently dry and polish all cleaned areas, ensuring no moisture remains. Double-check ports, vents, and keys to make sure everything is clean, dry, and residue-free. Once completely dry, reconnect your battery, plug in any external devices, and power your laptop back on to confirm everything works correctly and safely. Clean your laptop regularly, at least once a month, to maintain its condition and functionality. Consider using protective covers or sleeves to minimize dust and grime buildup, keeping your laptop looking and running its best. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe for more helpful cleaning tips, and share your own laptop maintenance advice in the comments below. Happy computing!